иностранцы спутать казаха с японцем или китайца. Сегодня мы это и проверим. Мы пройдемся по улицам, иностранцы посмотрят на моих друзей, на Алмата и Каната. Они посмотрят на них и попытаются определить, из какой они страны. А если они не смогут это сделать, то ребята поговорят на казахском, чтобы им в этом помочь. Так что давайте посмотрим. Поехали!
Аузы бар десін, десін. Жұрт сөйлей берсін, берсін. Көп сөйлей берсін, берсін. Дейтіндер десін, десін. Аузы бар десін, десін. Жұрт сөйлей берсін, берсін. Көп сөйлей берсін, десін.
Хочу добавить, что тот иностранец, который угадает Казахстан, он получит 10 фунтов.
Romania? Born in the US?
United States.
No, not Americans.
And the last chance.
They wish they were born in the United States, maybe. What they're not.
We like our country.
Yeah, they are patriots.
Japan.
Poland, you think?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting, Rush. Any ideas? Maybe they're from USA.
Well, I'm going to guess it's somewhere in Asia. But then I'm wondering if you're throwing me off and you're actually Inuit or you're actually Scottish. One of the following.
Scottish?
Could be.
It could be, yes.
Yeah.
Why not?
I say Japan and Indonesia.
Japan and?
Indonesia?
And if I guess right,
If you guess, you will receive your money.
you are from Brazil. I believe.
I'll say Vietnamese maybe.
Nice.
Maybe.
Try to guess.
Yeah.
Korea.
Korea? North Korea or South Korea? It's very important. No. Not.
Korea.
No.
Go for it, go for it. Korea.
Korea? No.
No. Are we close?
Oh. I wouldn't say that you're close.
Yeah, I think he's from Russia and he's from
They're from the same country.
same country.
Same.
China.
China? Do they look like Jackie Chan?
Thailand.
Thailand? No.
I'm so bad on this game.
А сейчас парни специально поговорят на казахском. Иностранцы попытаются угадать, какой же это язык.
Ана бүгінгі ауа райы туралы не ойлайсың?
Бүгін күн жылы екен. Күн ашық. Жаңбырлы емес.
Do you think in America they use this language? Your final answer is
Russia? Russia.
Russia, yes?
It doesn't sound like Scottish or Gaelic anyways.
It sounds really Slavic.
It sounds slightly Russian.
It sounds like Russian.
It sounds slightly Russian.
Russian?
Yeah.
Okay, so Mongolia.
Sounds like a little Russian, but I don't know.
Like, close to Russia.
Sounds like Russia, yes?
Yeah.
Mongolia.
Mongolia? It was too close. I respect you and I want you to win. Yes, I want you to name the correct answer. I will help you. They are not from Africa. Okay? Does it help?
It sounds sort of Russian a little bit, but I know it's Russian. It's part of the old Russia. Kazakhstan.
Oh my God! You did that!
Nah, you're making it up there.
Аузыма салдым еронды. Жаңбырды қалауы Лондон.
Any ideas?
Казахстан.
And you're right.
Десін, десін. Аузы бар десін, десін. Жұрт сөйлей берсін, берсін. Көп сөйлей берсін.
It is in the middle middle of Iraq and Korea.
Right, there's not much in there.
Roughly, it's in the middle.
The only place I can think of is yeah, that's what I was thinking. Kazakhstan.
That can't.
It's not Kazakhstan. No?
Your last final version. Just think about that. What's your final version?
I'll leave it in your hands.
Kazakhstan.
Okay, they will speak. Do you need them?
Okay.
Okay, your last. You said Kazakhstan or not? It's your last chance.
He knows more, right?
Money here. If you are giving wrong answer, you will lose money. So did you say Kazakhstan?
Eh?
Did you say Kazakhstan?
Kazakhstan.
Are you sure? Because it's serious, no?
Oh no, he's worried about losing a tenner now.
Heart attack, I'm on
You said between Iraq and Korea, so
Yeah.
that's the only place I can think of. Kazakhstan.
Okay, let's do it. So?
Kazakhstan. Final answer.
Oh! Yes!
Really?
Yeah!
It's because he narrowed it down.
Yeah!
Like, I know, like,
Okay guys, thank you so much.
thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. That was
I
good.
hope your degree goes
Do
well.
you know Kazakhstan? Yeah. Can you say Salim Kazakhstan?
Salam. Kazakhstan.
Salim Kazakhstan.
Salam, Kazakhstan.
Salim Kazakhstan.
Salam, Kazakhstan.
Yes.
Надеюсь, вам понравилось мое видео. Добавлю, что в прошлом конкурсе победительницей стала девушка по имени Ажар. Она правильно угадала фильм, который был самым любимым в моем детстве. Это был фильм «Один дома». Как сейчас помню, я так сильно ждал каждый Новый год, когда же покажут «Один дома» с Макалей Калкиным. И еще один момент. Вот тут многие пишут: чувак, когда ты сбреешь свою бороду, чувак, убери усы, тебе не идет, ребята. Мне нравится ходить с бородой, мне нравится ходить с усами, и я буду ходить так. В общем, если Головкин в этом году никому не проиграет, то я обязательно сбрею свои усы и